Welcome to class, everybody, and especially to you, Isaac Butterfield. You must be feeling pretty bad after losing the debate to Vegan Gains. You guys have been arch enemies for so long, and he nailed you. You were going around in circles like a 12-year-old boy with your little sidekick there. You had no arguments. He was right, and you finally conceded that. Here's the thing, though. You need to go one step further, and you need to stop being weak. You can be tougher than that. You can be vegan. If I can do it, you can do it. If my 81-year-old mother-in-law can be vegan, so can you. If my 8-year-old students can go to birthday parties and refuse a cake that has eggs in it or milk in it and refuse burgers that have death in them, then so can you. It's just a matter of integrity. Roll up your sleeves, stand up straight, chin up, go through life like a decent man, not like a coward. Be braver. Be vegan. And start now. And I'm going to show you how. All right, so the first thing that you're going to do, Isaac, is you're going to go and look at something called Challenge 22. You're going to sign up here. This will help you to get into the habit for 22 days. You'll get a mentor there, and who will hold your hand, tell you all about the different recipes and the reasons to be vegan. They'll give you all kinds of motivation, and it is just absolutely a great site. Thousands and thousands of people have signed up there, and who wouldn't want to eat this delicious looking vegan lasagna? There's so many great tips. Another thing that you can do is go and follow this cook. Down in my description, there's a couple of different cooks. Her name is, she goes by the name on her site called Rainbow Plant Life. She shows you all different recipes. Look, a perfect vegan meal for cold days. I'm not going to show you all the details, but you can sign up for her, okay? So memorize that. Rainbow Plant Life. Great channel. Another thing that you can do is you can go to How Do I Go Vegan? That's not it. This is the vegan fallacies. I'm going to go in order here. This is you. I got so many tabs here. Okay, this is How to Go Vegan. So you go How to Go Vegan, and you go and look, and they give you all the different steps. Doesn't this look like chicken? But it's not. Looks good, doesn't it? Yeah, it's a plant-based version. They tell you everything that you can buy to be vegan, how to go grocery shopping, how to get the vegan options, what kind of things to order when you're in a restaurant. Everything is there. Look, delicious, wonderful vegan foods. So you need inspiration, you go here, facts about being vegan. Here's one, the truth about eating animals. Go and look at all of those things. So I told you about Challenge 22, and I told you about Rainbow Plant Life, and this is a site called howdoigovegan.com, which also has all the answers to different things, and it will show you that animals are sentient. They don't want to be harmed. And we don't need to harm them. Because we don't need to harm them, we ought not to. Little baby chicks on the first day of life are ground up, alive, because they'll never be able to lay eggs in the industry. And we don't want to be part of that. Look at these baby cows. They are murdered so that humans can steal their milk. That's wrong, and you know it's wrong. All right, so going forward, Isaac, there's a lot that you can do. And one of the things you can do is you can go and, before we look at this video, I want to show you a site called this one here. Your Vegan Fallacy Is. All the answers are here. So Isaac Butterfield, when you become vegan and your family and your friends and your coworkers say to you, why are you vegan? You'll have all the answers here ready to go. So let's say they say something like, the raising and eating of animals does not cause or promote human disease. Here's your answer. Okay, the answer to everything is here. All of the different arguments. Here's another one, okay? Making milk is a normal and natural activity that cows do not suffer or die from. So eating dairy is not an ethical issue. When they say that, you read the response here. Everything is written. Every kind of crazy argument that you have made in the past, all the answers are here. Okay, and somebody's going to say, well, eating meat is a personal choice, just like being vegan is a personal choice, so everyone should just live and let live. And then the answer is going to be there. Like, yeah, live and let live. Live and let the animals live. And all of the different reasons here why. And then there's additional resources. Okay? So this site is called what? Do you remember it? It's called Your Vegan Fallacy Is. Okay, so sign up for that. Go and look at this site. Memorize this. Take a screenshot right now. Look, I'll pause with it. There, I'm pausing. Okay, take a picture of this. Your Vegan Fallacy Is. Your vegan fallacy. Fallacy is like a lie. Okay, your vegan fallacy is, and then the truth, the response to that. Now let's go look at this, one of my favorite videos, because in 2016, that's the year that I became vegan, and right around the same time that she was going through all this, I was going through all of this. It's a super short video, but it's one of my favorites, so watch it with me, okay, Isaac?
Go vegan today.
At the beginning, she's not vegan yet, and she's making fun of vegans, but at the end, don't worry, she becomes vegan.
Hey, you can save over
Spoiler alert!
100 animals per year.
She takes the paper, just like so many other people do, and put it in their pocket like, oh God, those vegans again. But she changes.
Hey, how can you tell someone's vegan?
Oh.
Don't worry, they'll tell you.
Oh, the same joke all the time. Don't worry, vegans will tell you. The reason that they tell you that they're vegan is because they're passionate about the animals. They don't want to hurt them, and they feel so bad that they've been part of hurting them for so many years. Just like you, Isaac Butterfield, when you become vegan in the future, you're going to feel really, really bad for what you've done on your channel. Encouraging so many people to hurt animals, you're going to feel honestly like shit. You're going to be so embarrassed. When your kids are born and they're vegan, because that's what's happening, the future is becoming more and more vegan, more compassionate. They're going to look at you, and it's going to make you really sad when they look at you in the eye and they say, that vegan teacher told you to be vegan and you weren't. You just decided to keep hurting animals. Dad, what were you thinking? Anyway, let's watch.
You're so annoying. I'll have the burger medium rare. Hey Mom, what's going on?
Did you see that? She was ordering the burger. She's still not vegan yet, but she's starting to, you know, see a couple of things.
Smells good.
Right?
See, on Facebook, she starts to see some animals suffering. That's exactly what happened to me. I saw animals suffering like that, and I was like, oh my God, I cannot keep paying for this. It's awful. She has that moment where she's eating her burger and she's looking down at her dog and she's thinking to herself, a pig is in my sandwich. There's a dog beside me. Feels weird. Gradually she's changing. See, now it's March. Remember, she started and it was just January.
They were out like slaughtering animals and like eating them and the blood.
Hi there. I actually didn't think pigs got this big.
No, so she goes and sees a sanctuary, and then she starts connecting with the animals, connecting with the pigs, connecting with the cows, starting to open her heart. That's where you start.
I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry, she says. Isaac, one day you're going to be like that too. Isaac Butterfield, one day when you're no longer weak, when you are strong and you have all the information in your head and all of the love in your heart for these poor innocent creatures, you're going to be vegan too. And you're going to say you're sorry.
Yeah. You want that vegan?
Yeah.
Isn't that great? Did you see what the waiter did, or the server? He says, do you want the vegan version? All servers should do that. All servers should immediately say, do you want the vegan version of this? That way the person has an opportunity, because sometimes people don't even look at that part in the menu. And look at her friend's face like, what? You're getting the vegan version? And she's like, yeah.
What are you, vegan now? I don't know.
What are you, vegan now? She's like, I don't know. Isn't that great? That's how it starts. You're just like, I don't want to commit to that, but I just feel like I just don't want to eat meat anymore.
Just not gonna eat meat or dairy.
So that's her mom saying, are you vegan? She's like, well, I'm just not going to eat meat or dairy anymore. So, and eventually she stops eating eggs as well.
Still looks like meat.
When I looked into that cow's eyes, there was someone staring back at me.
It's vegan.
Shut up.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
I'm gonna have the black bean burger. Hold the Swiss. Is your mayo vegan?
Look, it's November. That's how long it takes. Oh my God. It doesn't have to take you that long, though. It takes 100 clicks to become vegan. You got to get the message in your head. You got to get it into your heart. And you are exactly at the right place to start. Isaac Butterfield, you can be vegan from now on. If she can do it, if I can do it, if my mother-in-law can do it, if 8-year-old students of mine can be vegan, you can do it.
Okay, I'll have that.
I think I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna give it a go.
That's awesome. Way to go, Mom.
Hey, you got January 1st. It took her a full year, but she finally got there. And look, she's standing with the people that she walked past last year. And now she's giving out pamphlets. Isn't that a wonderful story?
Save over 100 animals every year in the environment. Go vegan.
Go vegan! Yes! The year of the vegan. Great. So Isaac, you saw it all here. You can be vegan from now on. Press the notification bell down there. First subscribe to my channel, then press the notification bell. Help us get all these animals out of hell. And coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Click on those. Be curious, but first press the notification bell and subscribe. Did you do it yet? Oh, and another thing I want to remind you one more time. Go and look at this site again, okay? Your vegan fallacy is. Your vegan fallacy is. Memorize the stuff in there. It's super interesting. There's so many arguments. And it's really easy, little bite-sized chunks there. Okay, thanks everyone for being here. Give yourself a big hug. Remember, you are the one that's always there consistently in your life. That's why you gotta love yourself. Take care of yourself. You know, friends come and they go. Sometimes people let you down. Sometimes people die. But you're consistently going to be there. So you need to sit up straight and be proud of who you are and feed yourself wonderful, healthy vegan foods so that you can walk proudly through life knowing that you're not a hypocrite. Thanks everyone for being here. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.